In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Trello with Outlook Calendar step by step. If you manage projects in Trello but rely on Outlook to organize your schedule, connecting the two can save you a lot of time and help you stay on top of deadlines. By the end of this tutorial, your Trello board will be connected to Outlook Calendar, so you can sync and manage your tasks more efficiently. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log into your account. Once you're inside Trello, navigate to the specific board that you want to integrate with Outlook Calendar. This should be the board where you manage tasks that have due dates and need to appear in your calendar. When you're inside your board, look toward the top right area of the screen and click on Power-Ups. Power-Ups are Trello's way of adding extra features and integrations to your board, including calendar connections and third-party apps. After clicking on Power-Ups, select Add Power-Ups. This will open the Power-Ups Marketplace, where you can search for integrations and enhancements for your board. In the search bar, type Outlook. As you type, you'll see different results appear. What you're looking for is Outlook Calendar for Trello by Kryl Solutions. Make sure you select the correct one, so you're installing the intended integration. Once you find Outlook Calendar for Trello by Kryl Solutions, click on it to open the details page. Then click the Add button. Trello will ask you to confirm that you want to add this power-up to your board. Click Add again to confirm. Now wait a few moments for the power-up to load. You may see a pop-up offering a trial version. The basic functionality of this add-on is free, so you can either start the trial or close the pop-up if you only need the standard features. Next, you'll need to authorize Outlook. Click on Authorize Outlook and sign in with your Microsoft Outlook account. Enter your email and password, and when prompted, allow the necessary permissions so Trello can access your calendar data. This step is essential for the integration to work properly. After authorizing Outlook, you'll also need to authorize Trello. Click to authorize Trello and grant permission when prompted. This ensures both platforms can communicate securely and sync your data. Once both authorizations are complete, your Trello board will now be connected to Outlook Calendar. Depending on the power-up settings, you can configure how cards with due dates sync to your Outlook Calendar and manage visibility preferences directly from the power-up panel. From this point forward, tasks in Trello with due dates can appear in your Outlook Calendar, helping you manage project deadlines alongside meetings and other commitments. This integration is especially useful for teams and individuals who rely heavily on Outlook for daily planning but prefer Trello for project management. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Trello with Outlook Calendar. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.